Hi all, and welcome to Baldwin Digital PL. Today's video focuses on Google Chrome, which can be accessed through this icon from your desktop. More specifically, we're going to be working on the Chrome Level 1 badge in this video. If I start by looking at the tasks that are required to earn this badge, I see that the first one is that I have to prove that I know how to correctly sign in to Google Chrome using my @Baldwin email address. So I'm going to talk a little bit first about why it's important to sign into Chrome. Baldwin County is a Google county, which means that all of our email addresses are managed through the Google Administration Console. And this allows us to put certain measures in place to help protect you while you're online. By correctly logging into Google Chrome, I get to maintain access to any of my saved data, passwords, bookmarks, like you see here, or any extensions, which I'll talk about in another video. Notice on this page, I'm not logged into Chrome correctly, even though I am logged into my @Baldwin Google account so that I can access my Gmail, my Google Classroom, or other tools. I'm now missing my bookmarks and my extension tools that I like to have with me wherever I travel. To get access to those, I'm going to need to sign in to Google Chrome the correct way. To do that, we must first travel up here to the top right corner. If you click this icon, you'll see a menu drop down with an option to sign in to Chrome. If you click that and follow the directions that show up, you'll be able to log into Chrome correctly. And once you do that, you'll see your bookmarks and extensions, if you have them, will load onto the screen. The second task listed for this badge is to pin at least one web page. Google Chrome allows you to pin web pages so that they are more easily accessed and they don't take up quite as much space as our tabs do here. To pin a web page, you simply take one that is important to you, that you need access to frequently. For example, I'll use PowerSchool, and right-click the tab, and then you're going to select the Pin tab option from the menu that appears. This will pin the tab here in the upper left-hand corner, so again, it doesn't take up so much space. The third task to earn the Chrome Level 1 badge is to add at least 3 bookmarks or 1 bookmark folder to your bookmarks bar. To make your first bookmark, travel to a website you know you will use frequently, like the Baldwin Digital PL page. From here, go to the URL bar, also known as Google's Omnibox, and click on the star in the right-hand corner. When you do that, you'll see a menu that'll allow you to name your bookmark and place it in a location or folder. The default here is the bookmarks bar, so just click Done. To gain access to your bookmarks bar, click on the snowman icon here, a series of 3 vertical dots, to open the Google Chrome menu. Then travel down to the bookmarks option in the menu, and then over to where it says Show Bookmarks Bar. You could also just press Ctrl-Shift-B to open your bookmarks bar. So click that. And you'll notice the bookmarks bar is now available at the top of your Chrome browser. And you can see here the icon for the Baldwin Digital PL page has appeared on the Google Chrome menu. So if I close that website, I can easily return back to it by clicking on this icon that I've created. A problem that can sometimes arise when you have too many bookmarks here is that it takes up quite a lot of space. An easy way to solve that is to right-click on your bookmark, select Edit, and delete the name, and click Save. This will remove the title from your bookmark and only leave the little icon that lets you know what website you've bookmarked. But if you hover over it like I'm doing here, you can see the URL address in case you forget what that icon represents. The other element of this final task is to create one bookmark folder inside of that bookmarks bar that we just turned on. There are 2 main ways to create and use a bookmarks folder. The first way is to simply right-click on your bookmarks menu and scroll down to Add Folder. Now I can title this folder whatever I want. And any website that I have that I want to place in that folder, I simply do the same thing. Go to that website, click on the portion in the left side, and I can drag it to the folder and let go. That bookmark is now inside of this folder that I can get back to whenever I want. This is a great way to keep your bookmarks organized. The second main way to create and use a bookmarks folder is to open any series of tabs that you use frequently. Right-click on the tab menu and scroll down to Bookmark All Tabs. This will create a bookmark folder for all of the tabs that are currently open. This opens a new menu that allows you to name that folder and then save it to your bookmarks bar. A good way to use this feature is to name the folder the date of your work session and save so that the next time you open your computer, you can quickly return to that work session in case you happened to close all of your tabs. Once you've completed these steps, take a screenshot to show evidence of your learning and submit it to the Baldwin Digital PL website to earn your badge.